Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 7, chapter 5. There is a picture of water pump which helps to supply the water into our crop field. Like that, in our body there is a pumping organ which helps to supply the oxygen as well as nutrient into our whole body. That means today's topic is human heart. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about the structure of heart, blood circulation through heart, and heart diseases. Heart. What is heart? Heart is conical shaped blood pumping organ situated in between two lungs at the left side of the chest cavity. Heart muscle are independent involuntary muscles capable of expanding and contracting without other control. That's why such kind of muscle is called involuntary muscle. Heart expands and contracts on average 72 times in every minute. Structure of heart. Muscle. What type of muscle is there? Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is one type of involuntary muscle. Layers. There are three layers are there. Number 1, outer layer or epicardium. Number 2, middle layer or myocardium. Number 3, inner layer or endocardium. Chambers. There are 4 chambers are there. Number 1, atrium. There are 2 atria are there into our upper part of heart, which is called left atrium and right atrium. Ventricle. Lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. This is also left ventricle and right ventricle. Structure of heart. Valves. There are mainly 3 types of valves are there: bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve and semilunar valve. Parts of heart. Epicardium. Follow the picture. Outer layer of heart. Outer layer of heart is called epicardium. Middle layer of heart, that means between epicardium and endocardium, myocardium. Endocardium, inner layer of heart. This inner layer of heart is called endocardium. Right atrium. This is called right atrium. Left atrium. This chamber is called left atrium. Right ventricle. This chamber is called right ventricle. Left ventricle. This chamber of heart is called left ventricle. Tricuspid valve. There is a aperture between right atrium and right ventricle. Is called atrioventricular aperture, and this atrioventricular aperture controlled by a valve. Valve means Kopatika. In Bengali it is called Doroja. Tricuspid valve. On the other hand, between left atrium and left ventricle there is also aperture is called same name, atrioventricular aperture. This atrioventricular aperture controlled by a valve named bicuspid valve. Superior vena cava, one type of vein through which carbon dioxide enriched blood entered into right atrium is called superior vena cava. Aorta, through which oxygenated blood supplied into our body and connected with left ventricle is called aorta. Pulmonary vein, these two veins are called pulmonary vein, which is connected with our lung. Pulmonary artery, this one and this one, these two arteries connected with our lung, that's why it is called pulmonary artery. For your kind information, pulmonary artery carries the carbon dioxide enriched blood and pulmonary vein carries the oxygenated blood. This is the exception of artery and vein. Blood circulation through heart. Follow the picture. By the help of superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, deoxygenated blood, that means carbon dioxide enriched blood, entered into right atrium. At the same time, by the help of pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood entered into left atrium, and both tricuspid and bicuspid valve will be closed. When right atrium and left atrium fill up, then it start to contract, then tricuspid and bicuspid valve will open. That's why deoxygenated blood entered into right ventricle from the right atrium and oxygenated blood entered into left ventricle from left atrium. When both left ventricle and right ventricle fill up, it start to contract. At that time, tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve will close and semilunar valve will be open. Then by the help of pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood entered into the lung. On the other hand, the oxygenated blood from left ventricle to, by the help of aorta, spread into our whole body. Heart diseases. Number 1, causes: taking too much fatty and oily foods, not taking balanced diet, too much smoking, excessive mental labor, not taking part in games, movement, walking or physical exercises. Preventive measures of heart diseases. Number 1, avoid taking high protein and starchy food. Developing the habit of doing regular physical labor such as playing, walking, taking physical exercise. Taking balanced foods regularly. Giving up the habit of smoking. Trying to avoid too much heavy mental labor and remain anxiety free. Maintain social distance. Follow the health rules. Thank you.